Hey, welcome to another video, guys. In this short video, I will show you how to locate a .htaccess file on your WordPress website. So this .htaccess file is a web file, or you can say it's a configuration file that is located on the root of the directory of your website. So it's a server file that controls how your website behaves and basically control how your website or the files on your servers behave. So let me quickly walk you through my cPanel and show you how it's done. So this is my hosting, and you just need to log into your web hosting, the one you have purchased, and access the cPanel. So every web hosting comes with a cPanel. You must be knowing that. So this is the cPanel. So in this cPanel, you will look for File Manager, and this is where you can control, access, or delete or edit all the files that you show to the customers on the front end. So here you can see my htaccess file. So to see this htaccess file, I will have to unhide all the files. Unhiding the files is very easy. All you have to do is just click on this settings button over here and then click on this show hidden files dot files and click on save. Now you can see that my htaccess file is here. So you can right click and delete or edit, or you can copy and paste if you want to have multiple htaccess files on your website. So that's for a different function. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.